Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Quinque in RO Ghoul. First, you need to be playing as a CCG member, which is the human faction. Quinque are their primary weapons, so ghouls cannot use them. Once you've chosen your side, you'll need some in-game currency. The most basic Quinque are quite affordable, usually costing around 100 yen. To get the yen and RC cells needed for your Quinque, focus on completing missions and defeating ghouls throughout the game world. Each successful encounter will reward you with yen, and you can collect RC cells from defeated enemies. Don't forget to check for active in-game codes, as these often provide generous amounts of both yen and RC cells to help you get started. Once you have enough yen, head to the main CCG building in RO Ghoul. This prominent structure is usually easy to spot on the map. Inside, take the stairs or elevator to the second floor. There, you will find the Quinque vendor. Simply approach and interact with them to browse their selection and make your first Quinque purchase. After purchasing, open your inventory and equip your new Quinque to start using it in combat. Remember, while standard Quinque are easy to acquire, more powerful versions often require you to gain reputation with the CCG and gather specific crafting materials like RC cells. Keep an eye on your progress and continue playing to unlock stronger options. Also, for those looking to streamline their real-life activities, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.